he's on his phone. There he's on the phone, so.
Pagi ini kita mau naik pesawat ke mana? Fukuoka. Dari Busan ke Fukuoka. Dari Fukuoka naik kereta ke Hiroshima. Okay, in the back now.
You're gonna have to say konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa.
Yeah, at the airport. Yeah. The lighting's nice.
I don't have to speak.
Yeah, you don't have to do it for long either though, because only been up for about 30 minutes.
Mau mendarat di Fukuoka.
It's a bit dark, so do it outside instead.
It's cute.
Yeah, very Japanese. Looks like Japan. Very industrial. Pretty
Wah, udah mendarat nih. Ya. Mendarat di Fukuoka. Welcome to Japan. Sushi time. Sushi time.
Agadashi tofu.
Welcome to Japan.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Welcome to Japan, Fukuoka.
안전벨트 착용 표시 등이 꺼질 때까지 안전벨트를 계속
We'll see.
매주시고 도착
Where's Jimmy? Oh, there.
Let's go.
Where? Where's James? I thought he got left on the train.
Not India. No one's kidnapping anyone.
Oh. so busy.
Lots of lining up.
Yeah.
Where are we going, Mom?
Mahal banget. James?
I think it was about 10,000, about 500 Hong Kong
Each?
each. Ouch.
It's like a 45-minute train ride.
It's an hour and 2 minutes.
Oh,
Which one? So everyone has 2 tickets, okay?
maybe one is for the thing and one is for the seat.
Yeah, one's a reservation.
So we only bought 3
One's for the
return
train and one's a
tickets.
reservation.
Which one do we put here?
That's a good question.
This one?
This one. Huh? Yes, that one. You're correct.
It didn't work.
Oh, so the other one.
Didn't work.
Did it come out?
Yeah.
None of them worked. So the other one.
The other
Oh yeah,
one
here,
didn't work either.
Huh?
It didn't work either.
Japan! We're in Japan! Bento! Bento! Bento, bento! That's a bento now.
What's that one?
Oh,
Sabo sushi.
wow.
How much is it?
Getting,
That's 860.
the boys getting bento.
1,500.
Everyone's getting bento.
Not too bad.
Let's get this one, James. Let's get this.
Family Mart's better value.
Let's get this.
They also have
Spicy
noodles.
salmon, spicy salmon.
You want some Hawaiian food?
No, 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 no. We want this.
Tuna mayo is also good.
Tuna mayo.
Salt and mackerel
It's
also
tuna mayo,
good.
right?
Yeah, tuna mayo is good. It's all good.
James, tuna mayo.
It's all good. It's all good. Oh, this is tuna mayo.
Tuna mayo.
You want a spicy pollock roll?
Yes, spicy tuna mayo, right?
So
Up
two-
here, right?
Yeah.
We're getting this.
I have one in my bag
What
already.
are we getting?
Just a couple things.
Just a lot of stuff.
This one is this one boneless chicken.
Huh?
This is boneless chicken fried. This is 223. Yeah, this is no. I don't onigiri. Yeah.
Go get on that.
Can you give me your phone so I can take photos?
Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
I have a pocket. So zip up your bag. Zip up your bag.
Do you want to carry this? I'm just a cameraman now.
So just take a rest.
Where? Oh, half an hour, half an hour. Okay, just stay here then.
Find someone to
Stay here, stay here.
Find someone to sit.
Hurry! Hey! Gatta!
I thought it was Jakarta.
Gatta desu.
Hakata. Hakuna Matata.
Sukarno Hata.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
It's Jakarta. No!
Right,
It's
like Sukarno
Hakata.
Hatta. That's what I thought. Is it night time okay?
No, it's not night time. It's okay. It's alright.
Yes, okay.
Oh, already on speed. In China, they never go this fast out of the station.
Put your hand out.
Guys, heads out.
Oh, what's this?
They go pretty swiftly out of the station. In China, they go out quite slowly. blocking your brother. You were blocking your brother. Our train, yeah. Our train, yeah. 9 and 10.
What seats are we?
9 and 10 D and E. We've got the N700 Supreme. Maybe it was a more expensive train. Nine, 10 D and E, yeah.
Already lying down.
I have your phone number.
Hey. Where's Jimmy going?
Mark, we can turn the seats around.
Oh, are you allowed to?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
But then you don't have table.
And then no leg room as well.
Yeah. Because it's good leg room.
Oh.
Oh, Jimmy's first time in Japan.
Yeah.
That's right, he's the only one.
So
James, is this your first time in Japan?
He's the novice.
I feel like a tourist.
You are. We all are.
Yeah. Oh, I need to get my coffee.
Oh, one of my meatballs fell off.
The food, James.
Oh.
Yakitori, right? Yakitori is good. The yakitori is good.
Really good.
To get the table down, James.
For 10 Hong Kong. Get 3.
James, this one is mine.
Hiroshima に着きます。お出口左側13番乗り場の到着です。
The dome.
広島でお降りお乗り換えのお客様、お忘れ物ありませんでしょうか。どうぞお手回りにお確かめください。
Cleaning.
I have to look it up later.
Check it. Have to line up. are you lining up? Are these people not lining up? Here. Oh,
リホーム後続の1号線神谷町経由広島広域電車もご利用いただきましてご協力ありがとうございます。広島駅からの出発中は少しでもシートの方が分かりると思うんですがご協力もお願いいたします。お乗りになられますがドアの前には車内の中
lagi di Hiroshima ya, baru datang naik metro nih dari Fukuoka. We are from Fukuoka, right? Welcome to Hiroshima. Oh, Mesong Revelation. Cute. Next to the Kumon, Louis, do your Kumon. Oh. So cheers.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa.
Welcome to Busan.
Maggie, look.
What?
Welcome to Busan, huh?
Oh.
We're in Hiroshima.
Welcome to Hiroshima. Is it radiation?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, here it is. Black box.
And that's it.
Oh, wow.
So which room do you want?
Oh, welcome to Hiroshima.
Shall we take this room?
Yeah. So, how many rooms? This is the boys, right?
There's 3 beds.
Huh?
3 beds.
3? What's the other one?
In the living room.
Louis, which bed do you want?
Oh, look, it's big, this one. It's all big.
They're all big, yeah, they're all the same.
Jimmy
Just
in the
one's
living
dark.
room, right? This
Yeah,
is for
I like-
everyone.
I like the living room.
This is for everyone to sleep here.
Louis gets the den again.
Yeah, poor
Yeah,
Louis.
yeah.
He likes the cave though.
Oh, you
Oh,
can
there's a
open the
balcony.
balcony. Look, guys.
It's a nice breeze today. That's nice.
Wow. Hello.
You can go outside and it's super sweet.
Welcome to Hiroshima.
Look good.
Everything's low.
It's a battery's almost.
Get their head on
Yeah, battery almost done. Here, take a picture of me and Jimmy. Yeah.
Cool. Stop watching. I'm in
I
Korea.
haven't been in the camera. I have to show my face. Let me see.
Saya ke
Saya ada di Hiroshima.
mandi
Oh.
dan
Oh,
Oh.
nice breeze.
Louis, open that thing in your room. It's so nice.
We don't have to have aircon if the breeze stays up. We're lucky because the temperature is
I just suddenly have to go.
just
Go
go.
over.
Jim, Yeah,
Oh my god, look!
everything opens.
Open!
Kitchen.
Oh, ito mo. Kami, yes, temperature burger lah.
Oh, coffee, premium coffee.
Oke, ini hotel di Hiroshima. Nih, kamarnya Louis. Nah, terus ini 3 kamar ya. Ini Jimmy tidur sini, seperti di ruang tamu. Lampunya lucu. Terus ada balkonnya ya. Lucu banget. Terus ini kamarku ya. Jadi ada 3 kamar. Tadi balkoninya. Terus jendelanya bisa dibuka. Kebetulan hari ini udaranya agak mendung ya, jadi nggak panas. Terus hawanya sejuk gitu. Ada angin sepoi-sepoi masuk. Jadi nggak usah pakai AC ya. Ya, ranjangnya di bawah gitu ya. Lucu ya. Hiroshima.